Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full review on these TikTok famous Beauty Bello hair extensions that I keep seeing everywhere. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to give you my full and honest review, rundown, all about them. So yes, if you guys enjoy watching, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before I show you guys how I apply the extensions, I wanted to give you guys like the rundown. How much are they? Are they worth it? Are they real hair? How do you style it? All of that, I wanted to give you the whole rundown. So which ones do I have? That's the most frequent question that I get asked. These are the 2.0 Dirty Blonde 16-inch, I believe. These come pre-curled. So it gives you the instructions when you order, like how to style them, how to wash them, how to just care for them. It gives you the basic on here, and then there's some more detailed instructions in there. But it just basically, they're synthetic hair, so they're not real hair extensions. So you cannot fully dye them. You cannot use like a curling iron at high heat like you would with like clip-in hair extensions or extensions that are real hair. So the fact that these come pre-curled, I usually just wear these when I have my hair curled like this, because I don't want to have to go through the whole hassle of dealing with the process of this, although you can style them. It tells you right here, so the material is heat friendly fiber, so you can iron it with 150 to 180 degrees. But it makes me a little nervous because I did do a little chunk of it and it just straightened it. It didn't curl it. But then I opened the little pamphlet that it comes with and it shows you the proper way to curl it. It typically wants you to curl with like, what are they called? Like the little curlers. It kind of shows you like the directions on how to curl it. So like you'd have to wash your hair and then put it in curlers. And then it's like a whole process. So I like that mine come pre-curled, then I don't have to deal with it and I can just wear it on like a special occasion or if I curl my hair. It's already done for me and I don't have to worry about touching it up because it's perfect. So yes, that gives you the heat instructions, how to properly wash it, and how the halo band has like different spots where if you've got a larger head or a smaller head, you can adjust it. And then it's got the clips, obviously, so that you guys can keep it on securely. So yes, and I had a lot of people ask me how to know what the perfect match is. And honestly, you kind of just have to guess. I guessed the Dirty Blonde and it ended up being the perfect shade for me. It honestly matches exact. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I just feel like if you go on there and maybe even take a picture of your hair and then take a screenshot of the hair on the website and then kind of just go back and forth and see which one looks like it would be a match. So yes. Okay, so you can apply them a few different ways. One of my favorite ways to apply, if I'm not using the clips, is I just set it over and then pull all of the hair out. But for the sake of this video, I want to show you guys how secure they actually are. So I'm just going to go ahead and section this off, leaving some hair out the front, and tie this off. Now, it's a little difficult if you already have the clips open. So make sure they're closed and then open them once they're behind your hair, or else they're going to catch on the back of your hair. So mine are all good. So I just set it in right there, and then I'm going to open my clips up in the back and I'm going to clip those down. And the hair is on and secure. Now I'm just going to let this hair out like that, and whatever hair is still kind of tucked, I grab my comb and brush through the front so it is all seamless. But for the most part, they looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do some teasing under here. I always like to tease just in case the track shows, but it really shouldn't. And I feel like they're super secure and the curls blend like really, really well with the extensions. Like I'm really happy with the curls that it came with, and they're really soft. You wouldn't be able to tell that they're fake hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hairspray my flyaways because I hadn't before. And there you go. Yes, and they, like, you can jump around with them and flip your head, and like they're not going anywhere. They're super in there. I mean, obviously you probably don't want to go on like a upside down roller coaster, but they're on there really good. And it shows you how to detangle them also if they do get tangled, which I haven't had any bad experiences so far. And I try to brush mine out before I like put them away, and I try and put them in a little box just to keep them away from everything. And yes, so if you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know in the description box. I will also link them in the description box if you guys want to go check out Beauty Bello, these viral hair extensions that are on TikTok right now. I really think they're awesome. The price, I didn't mention the price. They are $68. I think their original price is like $78. And right now on their website, they're showing $68. So yes, I will put that in the description box below. But I would definitely recommend these. If you guys are not wanting to spend hundreds of dollars on hair extensions and you're wanting something like mine, like pre-curled, because you curl your hair all the time, this is a really good alternative, and they're super pretty and they look really natural. Like I haven't had anybody say anything to me other than your hair looks amazing. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.